We're doing our typical seed surveys to see how many acorns we have, and we generally do that with binoculars, but these trees have gotten so big it's really difficult. We're seeing if the drones are capable of seeing the acorns for us. It is fun. It's sort of like playing a little video game, especially in the class. We were on simulators, and they really did train us, like the muscle memory and all that. I have in mind, getting tree heights more easily. We have a pretty nice laser, but sometimes if you're on the interior of an existing forest, it's difficult or impossible to get tree heights. Also mapping, it would be great if it can assist us with mapping. I think the data that we could get with that, we just might not even know about yet. I think the sky's the limit.